Good morning. I wanted to go over your volume intro assignment. There is a way that you can go in and correct your answers because I'm seeing a lot of you all are not following directions. So I wanted to make a video to show you where the directions are, one, and two, how to fix your answers. So if you click on your assignment in your Google Classroom, you can go to it. First of all, it says read the instructions on the form. You may only submit one time. That's not true. You can go back and fix it. There should be no definitions. No answer is longer than one word or a single digit number, meaning no numbers greater than 9. So 0 through 9 are your only answers. So here you can fill out the form only once, but you can edit it. Alright, so try contacting the owner of the form if you think this is a mistake. It is, but whatever. So you can edit your response. So here, again, the directions, all short answers should be one word or one number, not complete sentences. These questions come directly from the video, so the answers are very clear. So you watch the video. While you're watching the video, at the beginning, it tells you what Big B stands for. Then later on, as you progress through the video, when we refer to volume, how many dimensions are necessary? We've talked about area, and now we're moving on to volume. There are only two numbers to consider when we're talking about area and volume. What is the height of a prism? Go to the video at 5 minutes and 15 seconds. How many pyramids fill a whole prism? After 5 minutes and 15 seconds, watch the video a little bit later, and then you'll see the answer to this question. Everything is in the video, and it's only 9 minutes long. What is 1/3 of 6? 1/3 of 6. The word of means multiply. I've seen quite a few of y'all get this correct. Down here, what is the shape of a base of a triangular prism? Guys, you could use Google. Go look up a triangular prism. What is the base of a triangular prism? Meaning, what does it stand on? You need one word here. Furthermore, it's a dead giveaway. It's a triangular prism or a triangular pyramid. What is the shape of the base of a rectangular prism or pyramid? Stop putting these silly answers. All of these answers in here are silly. I did not put any correct answer here. Okay? Read the direction. And another trick, go back. You could click view accuracy for some hints. Okay? Thanks for watching.